Hey, Scott Grove here. I got a quick tip for you, another layout tip. If you're ever using a combination square and you're trying to sort of draw a parallel line using the square, sometimes your pencil, will fall off the end because it's sliding along that end, and it's just kind of a pain in the ass, I think is the technical term. So what I like to do is I take a triangle file and I file a little notch right in the very end. And that actually, I think, is more accurate because if your pencil fits in that end, say halfway, then the center of the pencil line represents exactly where you want to cut. So that just makes more sense to me. So you can certainly put this on here and draw a line that works real easy. It just keeps it right in place and it kind of doesn't wander around. So there's my quick layout tip for today.